Okay, we are on the Appalachian Trail in Catawaba, Virginia, and we're hiking up to McAfee Knob. Whew. It's kind of humid today. It was 88 when we left the car, and it's cooler up here, but we're making our way. We've gone about 2.25 miles, and we have about 1.5 miles left until we get to supposedly the most iconic photo spot of the whole Appalachian Trail. There comes Vinny. Okay, so Vinny and I just hiked McAfee Knob, and I walked this ridge line of rock, which goes around that corner. I'm over here, but I'm gonna show you this amazing view, if I can. Still more nice view. You can see it's just this ridge of rock. The view continues and continues. When you get around the bend, there's another town you can see. And there's my lovely husband. We made it to camp, and the sun's setting over there. And this is our campsite for the night. There's our tent. And Vinny just went down the way to hang our bear hang. We got a picnic table, and it's a nice setup. We are here, and it's morning time, and I just had oatmeal and some nuts, and we used our fancy camping stove to boil water and had some coffee. And you can see our tent back there. No, come back this way, Vinny. There you go. You can see the tent right there. And we're getting ready to go back to the car. So, bye. Okay. We are heading down the Appalachian Trail southbound from McAfee Knob, and we're about to get up to he's taking a little break, and it's much cooler today than when we hiked yesterday, and it feels less humid, although I don't think it actually is. And says, the sign right in front of us says, really, 2.6? That surprises me. I don't believe that. I think it's less than that. The sign lies.
What is?
So this is strange because this sign says 2.6 to 311. And this one says 2.4. Who knows, but we're getting there. So we're at the last part of the AT. And all in all, we've done about 9.125 maybe, and about 1,400 feet. First day, and then today, I don't know how much we've done in elevation. So we're almost there. Final stretch.